These are instructions on how to run the Engage platform on a range of different Chromebooks. Please note, not all Chromebooks are supported, and it's recommended that you have at least 6 GB of RAM installed on your device to run Engage correctly. Let's begin. On your Chromebook, go to your Apps menu and open Google Play Store. When Play Store opens, go to the search area and search for Engage XR. Install the listing that says Engage Professional Metaverse. Once installed, you will find Engage listed under your Apps menu. Simply click on it to open the application. That's it for now. We'd love to hear your feedback on which Chromebook models perform well and which have difficulty running the full application. Your input is always appreciated. Visit our website to find out more about Engage Education and Enterprise Services.